Good morning, welcome to another episode coming live from VMware Explore in Barcelona. I'm here with Jerry Rijnbeek from Rubrik.
Morning.
Good morning, final day.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Tired, but excited. You know, it's been, as always, I think it's year 8 for us being here.
Yeah.
It's always great, you know, meeting old friends, meeting new friends, the social aspect, talking to prospects, customers. You know, it's just, it's always a great event.
Yeah, the crowd at your booth was pretty, it was insane,
yes.
right?
Yeah, we had a pretty busy week. We had some awesome appearances. We have an artist who's making custom caps. We had the best referee in the world on our stand yesterday with Colina. So it's been a really fun week.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you mentioned you've been here for 8 times?
I think this is year 8. Yeah.
So the vibe is a bit different. Things have changed maybe a bit. What's your take?
Yeah, I think, you know, over time we, you know, you see shows like this evolve. You can see the discussions that you're having on the booth. You can see it evolve, right? Like if you look at like 6, 7, 8 years ago, it was always about how do we make things faster, better, cheaper, like really infrastructure level discussions.
Operational efficiency.
Operational efficiency. Yeah. And what's interesting to see in the last 2-3 years, and this year especially, it's like there's so much talk about you know, the architecture, but the outcomes when it comes to resiliency, ransomware. How do you counter that? How do you handle the data? Right? It's not just about the hardware, the software, the hypervisor, but really going down to, you know, the end user, the data, and the threat that it's facing. And of course, why we are here as Rubrik, you know, keeping data safe.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's interesting to see that evolution.
Yeah, and the company evolved as well, right?
Yes.
When you guys started, it was all about data protection.
Yep.
Then I think there was a short stint more like data intelligence was
a
bit of the focus, but now it's all about security, right?
Cloud data management, and now it's all about keeping data secure, right? Because in the end, of course, you make backups. We all make backups, and you want to recover those in case of an emergency, of a ransomware threat. But as a company, we're also saying, like, how do you know, ransomware is evolving really quickly. And of course, you need to be able to cyber recover, right? Come back as fast as possible. But how do you prevent those things from happening? How do you have your data real estate as clean as possible? So it's one of the reasons why 4 months ago we purchased a security company called Laminar, which we're also demoing for the first time here at the event, and you know, talking about posture management in the cloud, about data security.
Yeah.
So yeah, the feedback has been fantastic, and yeah.
Yeah.
Really
So data posture. Without going too deep, because you showed me the demo yesterday. Really amazing stuff. But just the highlights. What does it actually mean? What can customers do with the new solution?
Yeah, so the DSPM, Data Security Posture Management, is really about knowing what you have from a data perspective. So where is my sensitive data? Where's my personnel data? Where's my customer data? Where's the medical and financial and technical you know, tokens, APIs, anything that is sensitive of nature? Where is that stored in my environment? If you're running a full on-prem environment, it's a little easier to keep track of everything, but once you start spreading out and you have Azure and AVS and AWS and then buckets and blobs and data starts living, and you got Snowflake and you get this, and data's everywhere, and our users make mistakes, right? That's a given, we all do. And how do you keep track of that? How do you make sure that that copy of that database doesn't end up in the wrong location? Because what we see with data exfiltration is they're not, if they have a successful hacking attempt, it's not about, oh, they found the admin password to the CRM system. No, 9 out of 10 times they find something that wasn't supposed to be there. And that's what your posture is about. How do you keep your data as secure as possible with posture management? And that's, you know, part of the message that we're spreading here.
Amazing stuff. Yeah, I'm looking forward to see how you take this product from here and how it will evolve.
to the next
well,
level.
Jerry, I will let you go now. Give you a bit of peace and quiet.
Yeah, always a pleasure. Thanks everyone.
Yeah, thanks Jerry.
Cheers.
And thank you for watching. Yeah, stay tuned. I think there will be more videos coming live today. And see you next time. Thanks.